I'm Jason. This is Cell Phone Help. You have the Samsung Galaxy A51 and you want to speed your phone up. There is a secret trick. It's so simple. I'm going to show you how to do it, and then I'm going to compare it to the speed of your A51 to the A16 5G. Let's get started. All right, we're going to jump into settings. Go to settings the way you like to. Then we're going to go to accessibility. All right, now we're going to go to visibility enhancements right here. Visibility enhancements. Then we're going to come all the way down here, and it's as easy as these right here. Remove animations, and then reduce transparency and blur. Now, two things are going to happen for you that are good. Your phone is going to really run faster. I'll prove it to you in a second. And then because you turn off these two things, you'll save a little bit of battery. All right, let me bring in the other phone, and I'll show you how it's fast. Someone who uses your phone a lot, and you're switching back and forth between apps, watch this. I'm just going to bring up the dialer. We made changes. We turned off the animations on this one. These are regular. Watch this. Did you see that with your own eyes? Now I'm going to close. This one blinks on, blinks off. This one animates open, animates close. Let's do it one more time so you can see. Close it one more time. And it's every time you use any single one of your apps. Bring up Messenger, close Messenger. Bring up the internet or your browser. Oh, I'm not connected on either one. But you can see this one opens and closes. This one blinks and blinks. Let's close it. Let's do camera. One more time. Oh, that one's whoop and moves right back in. All right, that is a very simple trick that anyone can do. And watch this. If you don't like now how your phone runs and it's missing some of the coolness factor of the animations, jump back into settings, jump back into accessibility, jump back into visibility enhancements, and then go boop, boop, and you're done. All right, if this has helped you, please like, please subscribe. I'm hoping that your phone is running way faster. Hey, and if you need a document to help you, your kids, your grandparents remember their PIN, pattern, or password, look at the links in the description. I created a worksheet that's free for anyone that will help you always remember your PIN, patterns, or password. Once again, thanks for watching.